Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to another Arabic lesson on Al-Arabiyyatu lin-Nashi'in, Kitab al-Awwal, Book 1. Inshallah, in our today's class, we are going to continue from where we stopped on our previous exercises on the topic Al-Masjidu, that is the mosque. So the next exercise, here we have an instruction that says Eid. Eid means count. Iqra, read. So here we have a range of numbers from number 22 to 24, which they want us to learn in both figures and words. So the first one we have Ithnani wa Ishrun, that is 22. Thalathun wa Ishrun, 23. Arba'un wa Ishrun, 24. So the next exercise we have Iqra al-A'dad al-Atiyah, read the following numbers. ثم رتبها, then arrange them. So we are going to arrange these numbers accordingly. The first one we have 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 21, 21, 23, 23, 24, 24. So that is that. Then the next one we have Iqra. Iqra means read. So here we have tadhhabu, that is you are going. Hadha, this. Adhanun, that is the call to prayer. Tilmidhun, a student. Ustadhun, a teacher. So that is that exercise. So now the next one we have takallam, speak. Ajri al-hiwar kama fil mithal, run the dialogue according to the example. So here we have al-masjid, the mosque, then usalli, that is I am praying. So with these two words, they want us to run a little dialogue. First of all, we are going to begin by saying, Ila ayna anta dhahibun. Where are you going to? They will respond by saying, Ana dhahibun ila al-masjidi. I am going to the mosque. Ana usalli ma'aka. That is, I will be praying with you. So that is how they want us to be doing the exercise. So the first one we have al-maktaba, the library, then aqra'u, reading. So first of all we say ila ayna anta dhahibun, where are you going to? Ana dhahibun ila al-maktabati, I am going to the library. Ana aqra'u ma'aka, I will be reading with you. Al-mal'ab, then al-abu. Ila ayna anta dhahibun, where are you going to? Ana dhahibun ila al-mal'ab, I am going to the field. Ana al'abu ma'aka, I will be playing with you. So this is how we complete this exercise. So the next one we have ضع علامة صحيح, put the sign good أمام الكلمة, in front of the word التي فيها الحرف, which contains the letter. We have ذال and ظ. So here we watch out for these two letters. Whichever word we find any of these two letters, then we'll put the sign good in front of it. The first one will have al-madrasa. So there is no letter dhal, so we'll not put the good sign. Hadha, this, so we'll put a good sign. Mudarrisun, a teacher, no. Ustadun, a teacher, yes. Yadhabu, he is going, yes. Al-jarasu, the bell, no. Adhanun, that is the call to prayer, yes. So the next letter is dha. Tawabi'un, that is stamps, no. Dhahrun, that is back, yes. Nadharatun, eyeglass, yes. Salahun, no. Talibatun, student, no. Undur, look, yes. Al-maqsafu, the store, no. So this is how to do this exercise. So the next one, we have sil bayn al-jumlatain al-mutamathilatain, connect between the similar sentences. So the first one here, we have هذا أذان الظهر, this is the known azan. هذا أذان الظهر, this is the known azan. So these are similar, you connect between them. Then the next one we have هذه صلاة الظهر, this is the zuhur prayer. أنتظر أذان الظهر, I am waiting for the known adhan. هذه استراحة الظهر, this is the zuhur break. So this is the one we are going to underline. So the next one we have al-mudarris yadkhulul masjid, the teacher is entering the mosque. At-tilmidhu yadkhulul masjida, the student is entering the mosque. Al-mudarrisu yadkhulul fasla, the teacher is entering the class. Al-mudarrisu yadkhulul masjida, the teacher is entering the mosque. So this is also similar. You connect between the two of them. Al-mudarrisu yusalli fil masjid. The teacher is praying in the mosque. So that is how to do that exercise. So now let's look at the next one. Here we have an instruction that says, رتب الكلمات الآتية. Arrange the following words لتصبح جملة مفيدة, to become meaningful sentences. So the first one is لأصلي المسجد إلى, then أذهب. So here we say أذهب إلى المسجد لأصلي. That is, I am going to the mosque to pray. Then we have المدرس الفصل يدخل. يدخل المدرس الفصل. The teacher is entering the class. الظهر أذان, and هذا. هذا أذان الظهر. This is the known adhan. So that is how to do that. Then the last one, here we have an instruction that says sil bayna ibarat al-majmu'ati alif. Connect between the expressions in the group A wa kalimat al-majmu'ati ba, with the words in the group B. So these are the words we are going to connect. The first one, we have al-ustadhu yusalli. This means the teacher is praying. So the most suitable one from this section is al-ustadhu yusalli al-dhuhra. The teacher is praying the known prayer. At-talibu yal'abu al-kurrata. The student is playing the ball. At-tilmidhatu taqra'u al-qissata. The female student is reading the story. Al-mudarrisatu tadkhulu al-fasla. The female teacher is entering the class. So this is how to do this exercise. And with this, we've come to the end of the exercises that are below this lesson. And also, we have come to the end of our today's lesson. We hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you in the next one. Ma'as salamati ila al-liqa.